Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So guys, in today's video, we are going to learn some smart daily usable sentences. So guys, I know it is the very useful to you because it is also useful for us only guys. Because if we want to speak English, then we should remember how to speak English. So as I mentioned in my all videos, you have to just think and try hard for learning the English. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hey everyone, myself Mohit Pandey and you are watching TrendyChat. So guys, as I mentioned before in this video, we are going to learn some smart daily usable sentences which you can use anywhere in your daily conversation guys. So our first sentence that is coming out here, that is little bit negative but very useful guys. No, I don't want that. Yes guys, it is the now in trending because there is a fashion of wanna, gonna. So here in this sentence that is like that. No, I don't want this means if someone offers you something and if you neglect that, so you can't say directly no, I don't want that. So in that time you can say that no, I don't want that means you are telling him no, I don't want that, I want other. So guys, it is very skillful and smartly you can change the, you can say, face of conversation towards you because it is the most important or you can say useful sentence nowadays guys. Even I also used most times this sentence. Our second sentence that is guys, see you next time. Yes guys, it is now in trending not, but it is very useful. Means if you meet someone and instead of saying bye, you can say that see you next time again. Yes guys, it is a little bit formal but very useful because directly saying bye is not, you can say, good for anyone. So I will recommend that see you next time, use this sentence because it really made an impact between you and whom you are telling that, and your relationship also get increased by using this sentence. Our third sentence that is coming out here guys, can I ask you something? Didn't hear that na properly, so here's the correct one. Can I ask you something? Yes guys, it is the most important for students also guys, because if you want to help with, or you can say if you want help from others, then you will think how to tell him what's my problem. So then you can use that can I ask you something means you are asking him if you have a time for you can say solving my problems or giving your suggestions to me, then it is very useful guys. So you can say that can I ask you something means you are taking the permission he or she is free or not. Yes guys, so please ask before you asking the question, please you can say repeat this sentence, can I ask you something? Yes guys. Our fourth sentence that is guys, did you get it? Means guys, suppose you told to your friend, you can say I am buying any a phone or just like a book. Then your friend will ask you another day, did you get it? Means you are here's the question, did you get it? That means you bought that or not. He is asking something to you guys. So then you can use this sentence, did you get it? Yes guys, this is the most important for asking any question to others, he bought or not, and it is used anywhere in any situation you want, and it is very useful guys for you also. Our fifth sentence that is guys, do you have a minute? Yes guys, it is also for getting, you can say, attraction to others, because if you will say do you have a minute means you are asking him if you are free or not, just like that only guys. If suppose you will tell anyone let's solve my question, No we came with you, they will say, I had not a time. And if you say, do you have a minute? Then if he is working his work also, then he will stop this work and came with you. Because your appreciation really matter, guys. If your appreciation is good and perfect, then only you can get help from anyone. Guys, I think it is the most important and useful sentence to you. I will only recommend you that please use this sentence because it is the most, you can say, useful sentence nowadays. Our sixth and small sentence, that is, guys, Roger that. Yes, guys, it is little bit funny but very useful. It means that understand that. Yes, guys. If let us suppose you are teaching someone any of topic, then you can say that Roger that following points. Means you are giving command to others to keep, you can say, focus on these points. If you directly say, then students will get disappear from you. So you can use, instead of saying that, use Roger that. Means Roger that all the following points. Then they will extremely attracted towards you and your following points, and there is a great beneficial to you. They will also not get disappointed by you, guys. Our seventh sentence, that is, guys, I am feeling much better. Means if you felt in a disease and you recover from it, and if you meet someone and someone asked you, how are you? Then you can say, how are you feeling now? Then you can say that I feel much better. Then it will be used, guys. A little bit formal but very useful. Our eighth sentence, that is, guys, have a great day. Yes, guys, it is the most important usable sentence also. Everyone use have a good day, but here's that's not. Here it is have a great day. Yes, guys, it is for instead of saying bye, you can say that have a great day to you. Suppose if you stop your meeting and leaving the meeting, then you can say to your seniors, have a great day, sir, or you can say, have a great day, boss. Yes, guys, it is really impactful and you will be the favorite of your, you can say, senior and boss. Our ninth sentence, that is, guys, you are going too fast. Guys, it means not that you are going the fast. It means that you can say that, or you can, I just will recommend you guys, use this sentence when you get felt you had no option at all. Means if you have to suggest anyone, you are going too fast means you are doing most things in at a time. Be slow for your working. Then you can say that you are going too fast, so be slow. Yes, guys, because if you will do and everything fast, then it is not good for you. Our 10th and last sentence, that is, guys, are you done? Yes, guys, it is little bit funny but very useful. Means if someone asks you, can say, have you completed your homework? Then you will of course say yes. And if you want to ask him, but in different style, then you can say that, did you complete it? Or did you done that? Yes, guys, that's time it will made an impact also, guys. So I will recommend you, please use this sentence. And which of them are your favorite? Tell me in the comment below, because it will also give suggestion to me for making new videos for you guys. And leave a like if you like this video, and subscribe our channel for new world, and press that bell on so you can get the latest notifications of our latest motivational videos. So we will meet in our next video. So stay motivated with us and take your steps towards success.